One of the most important challenges we face in the machine vision area is the speed and adaptability involved in designing efficient machine learning solutions. Intel's machine vision AI platform becomes essential when it comes to designing this type of solution and achieving an efficient development process. For this reason, at Bravant, we have been working on developing proof of concepts to see how Intel computer vision AI can help our customers.
My name is Henk Pauwers and I'm the Director of Operations here at Bravant. Bravant is an IT consulting company helping our clients with their digital transformation. One of the biggest steps in the digital transformation process is the use of artificial intelligence. So in the last 2 to 3 years, we are doing a lot of proof of concept to see how AI solutions like Intel's computer vision AI platform can help our clients. When looking at a specific sector like the manufacturing industry, in one of our clients, the operators have to assemble a product consisting of many parts and doing this as fast as possible. They clearly needed an automated method to support the quality assurance process and help to mitigate human error in real time.
John Deere, one of the world's leading manufacturers of agricultural machinery, has a very extensive and complex assembly line that must be assembled in a certain way. At Bravant, we seek to automate and optimize the process of this production line, reducing human error, ensuring the quality of the result, and avoiding the high cost of assembling a defective part.
My name is Sergio Velasco, and I'm the Edge Computing and IoT Technical Lead here at Bravant. We replicate the assembly cell in our innovation lab, and we use the platform to develop object detection, image classification, and semantic segmentation models to monitor and validate the entire process. The platform helps us train and optimize all these models easier and faster.
Thanks to these technologies, John Deere eliminates possible human errors in the parts of its products, and therefore in the final product delivered to its customers, ensuring their quality and improving the profitability of its business.